Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss what a quantum computer is and how it differs from classical computers. A quantum computer is a computer that uses quantum mechanical phenomena, such as superposition and entanglement, to perform operations on data. While classical computers use binary digits, bits, to store and process information, quantum computers use quantum bits, qubits, which can be in a superposition of states, allowing for the processing of multiple calculations simultaneously. Classical computers use transistors to store and manipulate information, whereas quantum computers use qubits. While classical computers operate on binary digits, quantum computers operate on quantum bits, allowing for much more complex calculations to be performed. One of the most significant differences between classical and quantum computers is their processing power. Quantum computers have the potential to solve problems exponentially faster than classical computers, making them ideal for solving complex mathematical problems and optimization problems. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize fields, such as cryptography, chemistry, and material science. For example, quantum computers can be used to break modern encryption techniques, making them a potential threat to cybersecurity. On the other hand, they can also be used to create new encryption techniques that are much more secure. In the field of chemistry, quantum computers can simulate molecular interactions and chemical reactions much faster than classical computers, leading to the discovery of new materials and drugs. In summary, quantum computers are a type of computer that uses quantum mechanical phenomena to process information. They have the potential to solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers and can be used in a variety of fields, such as cryptography, chemistry, and material science. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more applications of quantum computers in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on interesting topics like this.